Have you ever been betrayed, hurt, or disrespected? Your first instinct might be to get even. But what if I told you that the best revenge isn't anger, isn't confrontation, but something far more powerful? The ancient Stoics had an answer, one that leaves your enemies powerless and elevates you beyond their reach. Revenge is often seen as payback, a way to balance the scales, but according to Stoicism, true power doesn't come from retaliation. It comes from mastering yourself. Instead of wasting energy on those who wronged you, imagine transforming that pain into unstoppable personal growth. In this video, I'll share the ultimate Stoic approach to revenge, one that will leave those who hurt you irrelevant in your life. Number 1. Indifference is the ultimate power. When someone hurts you, they expect a reaction. They feed off your pain. The moment you stop giving them power over your emotions, they lose. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Detach, move on, let them drown in their own bitterness while you rise above it." Number 2. Success is the greatest silence. The Stoics believe that true revenge is simply living well. Imagine the person who doubted you watching as you succeed, grow, and thrive without them. They will expect your downfall, but instead, you rise higher. Show them they were never an obstacle, just a lesson. Number 3. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." You can't control what people do, but you control how you respond. Every time you dwell on past hurt, you give them space in your mind. Take that power back. Redirect your focus on improving yourself. Number 4. Master your emotions, master your life. Anger chains you to the past, but self-control, that's freedom. The Stoics trained themselves to feel nothing towards those who hurt them. Picture yourself unshaken, calm, unaffected. Your silence louder than any words. The less you care, the stronger you become. Number 5. Live so well they become irrelevant. The ultimate revenge? A life so fulfilling that they become a distant memory. They expected you to crumble, but instead you thrive. That's the Stoic way. You don't just move on, you rise above. Number 6. Final thought. Your peace is their defeat. At the end of the day, the best revenge isn't about them. It's about you. The more at peace you are, the less their actions matter. And when you truly stop caring, that's when you've won. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted revenge? What did you do instead? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Stay strong, stay stoic,